Welcome to the most miraculous journey in life, pregnancy. If you're curious about how a baby develops month by month, or you're an expecting mom, you'll want to stick around. Each month holds fascinating changes for your baby. And today, we're diving into every detail. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more amazing content. It all starts here. In the first month, the magic begins as the egg is fertilized and becomes a tiny cluster of cells called a blastocyst. This little ball of life attaches to the uterus, preparing to grow. It's only the size of a poppy seed, but it's already developing the amniotic sac and placenta, crucial for your baby's protection and nutrition. By the end of month 1, the foundation is set. Your baby's journey is in full swing. In month 2, things really start taking shape. Your baby's heart is already beating by week 6. Little buds are forming, soon to be arms and legs. By the end of this month, your baby is the size of a blueberry. What's truly amazing is how fast the nervous system is growing. Brain cells are forming at a breathtaking speed. The facial features like eyes, ears, and mouth are also starting to appear. Isn't it mind-blowing how much happens in just 2 months? Month 3 is here, and guess what? Your baby is now called a fetus. It's the size of a small lime, about 7 to 8 centimeters long. You still may not feel those kicks, but your baby is moving like crazy inside. Fingers, toes, and fingernails are forming, and those tiny organs like the liver and kidneys are getting ready to work. This is the month when things get safer. Your chances of miscarriage drop significantly. It's also the time when you can see your baby on an ultrasound, which is one of the most magical moments of pregnancy. Welcome to month 4. The baby bump starts to show. Your little one is about 12 centimeters long, the size of an apple, and you may start to feel some gentle movements. These are your baby's first kicks. You can also find out whether it's a boy or girl in this month. How exciting is that? By now, the baby's reproductive organs are developing, and they may be sucking their thumb, making tiny facial expressions. Things are really happening fast. By month 5, the baby is getting active. Now about 16 to 20 centimeters long, this little one is moving more than ever, kicking, stretching, and even responding to sounds. That's right. Your baby can hear your voice and might even recognize your favorite song. The baby's skin is now covered in a protective layer called vernix. They're also practicing breathing movements, getting ready for life outside the womb. Can you believe all of this is happening inside you? In the 6th month, your baby is getting curious. Their eyes are starting to open. Your baby is about 30 centimeters long, and they're starting to follow a sleep-wake cycle, just like you. You might feel them moving more at night or during the day. And now those kicks are stronger. You might even feel hiccups as the baby practices breathing. The brain is also developing at lightning speed, creating billions of new brain cells. Month 7 is when the baby starts running out of space. Now measuring about 35 centimeters and weighing up to 1.5 kilograms, things are getting a little tight inside the womb. But don't worry, your baby is still moving, stretching, and growing stronger every day. At this stage, your baby can respond to light and sound. They might even turn their head toward a light source or react to your voice. In the 8th month, your baby is focused on one thing, getting ready to meet you. Weighing about 2.5 kilograms and measuring around 45 centimeters. The baby's lungs are nearly fully developed. The baby might even get into position for birth, turning head down in preparation. Mom, you may feel more uncomfortable now as the baby gets bigger and their movements stronger. It's the final stretch before your little one arrives. Here we are, month 9. At any moment, your baby will be ready to make their grand entrance. Weighing about 3 kilograms and measuring around 50 centimeters, they're fully developed and ready for the world. They've been practicing sucking, swallowing, and breathing to get ready for that first cry. Your baby is still moving, but with much less space. The excitement is building. It won't be long until you meet your little miracle. 9 months of magic, and now you're so close to the finish line. The journey from a tiny cell to a fully formed baby is nothing short of miraculous. If you've enjoyed this journey with us, don't forget to like the video, share it with friends and family, and subscribe for more amazing content on pregnancy, babies, and health. Good luck on this incredible adventure, future moms!